Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to find out the month name from date of birth in the Excel. So here you can see in one column we have a date of birth, and from this date of birth we have to find out the month name. So let's try the Excel formula here. Type equal to sign, then type text here. Select the target cell, then press comma, then press open comma, then type four times, then close with open quoted comma, close this bracket and press enter. Select this cell and drag it down. So here you can see all the month name in respect to the date of birth. Here you can see December, then February, then October, likewise. So by this way you can get the month name from date of birth in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.